welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a makeup comparison between two of my favorite brands, and this is going to be for their foundation. So I have the Fenty Pro Filter Long Wearing Foundation, which is a soft matte, and I have Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation. To do a comparison and also to show I don't do all these makeup hauls and then not use the product. So I kind of have some of my face done. I have my lashes on, I had some glittery shadow just to make me feel better today, and a Pat McGrath lip gloss on. So yeah, we're going to try this out on one side of the face and the other side of the face, and I'll let you know how I feel. Now this one is not matte, but I couldn't find my Fenty regular foundation, so this is the one that I'm wearing every day, and I also did prep with the matte primer from Fenty. So let's see how this goes, and I'm just going to use a blender. I'm just gonna put a dot on because really you don't need a lot, and I'm gonna put it on this side of my face. So you see how, like, that's a lot. So that's actually kind of good because a little drop will do ya, I guess, if you want to say for your whole face. I'm just going to work on this part of my face, not up into my forehead. And I will do under my eye. Yeah, it feels pretty good. It does, it feels pretty good. So that's enough in there. So it feels light. Definitely don't need to apply a lot, especially if you're into the contouring and all of that, which I am. I do contouring, different other products on my face, so foundation isn't, you know, massive part of my makeup routine. It's just kind of like the basic after the primer. I would use both of these, but again, like I said, one is Fenty is $35 and the Pat one is $68. Pat has a 1.18 fluid ounce and Fenty is 1.08 fluid ounce for what you get. But again, you just need a dab of Pat. So this one is Fenty. I have a little more than a dab. And to be fair, you don't need a lot of hers either. I can see right away I need to blend this one really well. Usually I just kind of dot my face with this one and then blend it. So I'm sneaking peeks at my mirror down here, and I hope the lighting is coming out right for you guys because I haven't done one of these before. This is my first. So I know lighting is a big thing. But yeah, this is the matte foundation. This is the non-matte. And this is just foundation. This is no concealer, nothing else. Just primer and then the foundation, just so I can show the two. That's how it feels. Feels fine to me. Looking in the mirror, it looks fine to me. I don't know. Let me see if this light comes on better for you guys to see how it comes out. So the non-matte, it's not shiny. It's not greasy. It didn't go on greasy at all. It seems more liquidy, but not watery. But it was liquidy to where I knew I just needed a little bit of product to start with, and then, you know, if you need to add more, go from there. But I would not like spritz. I would barely get a little bit onto your blender or your application brush or your finger, however you're doing it, because it's, you know, and like I said, that's good. That's good for this price point. You're getting a little bit, you know, 0.10 more ounces in Pat's foundation than you are in Fenty, but they both feel really good. Now I'm trying to figure out, I think I'll finish my face with Pat today. I don't feel, it's only been a few minutes, but I don't feel a huge formula difference. This wasn't watery. This just took a little dab, and I knew that from before starting the video, and even just doing the video, I felt like, oh my God, I have like a whole bunch on. But I'm going to see how that builds today. So maybe that's a good idea to do it today, use Pat today, and see how I feel later on. Not a makeup artist or makeup guru, but I am a makeup wearer. And even in my being over 40, I think I love it even more than when I was younger. Not because I'm trying to hide anything or make myself look younger or anything like that. I just find it more fun. And I can't help it, but my skin is changing with age, and I think she hears a delivery. Skin does change with age. We got to keep it hydrated. We got to keep it moisturized. So yeah, finding the best products that work is really a big thing when you get this age. When you're younger, you can wear just about anything. But as you get older, you just, you know, you got to wear what complements your skin. And it has nothing to do with the number of your age. It's just the age of your skin. Does that make sense? So yeah, that was my comparison on these two items, Fenty, Pat McGrath. And again, this one, a little dab will do ya. This one is pretty much the same, a little dab will do ya. Especially if you're into contouring and using other products as you're building up your face for the day. But if you're just gonna go out, these are great. They both have great concealing products. I'm going to wash this off and then start all over and make it a Pat foundation day and do a video on the cheeks out from Fenty. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about these brands or their products or my faves, feel free to ask me below. Feel free to ask me on Instagram or on Twitter what my favorites are, because I have a lot of faves in both lines. So, all right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.